Welcome back. Now we discuss about difference between hashing and encryption. Hashing and encryption are the two terms used widely in cryptography. First we discuss about hashing. Hashing is the process of converting message into key using hash function. It is more secure comparing to encryption. Some of the hash algorithms are message digest 5 and SHA-256. Hashed information or hashed message is generally small and fixed length. It does not grow with the increasing the length of information. Next, encryption. Encryption is the process of converting a normal message into ciphertext. Some of the encryption algorithms are RSA, AES, and Glowfish. It is less secure in comparison to hashing. The encrypted information is not fixed length. It grows with the increase in the length of information. Thank you.